Hey, I'm Nicolette and I'm with White Wizard in my hot tub right now. Like, yeah, you're jealous. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you got some sewage.
You got some fancy tricks. Special
Fancy
effects.
smash.
Go, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you got some
Jesus Christ, you're boopity boppity bippity boppity that.
Yeah, no, you guys are assholes. Fuck these guys.
Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Okay, are we ready?
Alright,
Nicolette.
Gio.
June 13th?
Wait, you're going to introduce
Did you say Sunday, June 13th?
Sunday, June 13th. Ronnie James Dio stage.
Ronnie James Dio stage.
Let the band introduce themselves.
John, you start.
Wait, you don't,
Do that
I
while
don't say
she
White
talks.
Wizard?
Do that while she talks.
No, definitely say White Wizard.
Definitely say what.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm okay.
You gonna be professional?
I'm gonna be okay.
Okay, hold it.
Oh, yeah, you like
I stopped that. Giovanni.
Wait, let's time out.
All right, time out.
How much
Why
footage do you-
everything I do, it's a funny.
I think the last one was gold. I really think we've got
Just
it.
one more time.
How many minutes of footage do we have left?
Nick,
I have no idea.
introduce the band. John, start saying what you play. Just say what we play, and then we go to interviews.
And then let's do interviews.
Wait, and Nicolette, what you said about Nicolette,
We need to get some substantial stuff.
what you said about download and him going 3 times and now playing is gold. Okay, you people,
Hello.
Nicolette starts. Turn around, for God's sake.
It's time out time. People see.
Okay, children,
children.
Hey,
you're all children.
Shut up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Nicolette and I'm here with White Wizard all wet.
in the hot tub.
In the-
Yeah! Why would you?
Okay, go.
Hi, I'm Nicolette and this is what I do.
She's all wet in the hot tub.
Why would you?
No, that's not good enough.
You guys are watching my
Oh my God!
There, you piece of shit.
Hold on, don't drown the guy.
Go for it.
Are we recording now? Can I say it?
Go.
Hi, I'm Nicolette and I'm all wet in the hot tub with White Wizard.
Yeah!
Good time. White Wizard, we're about to play Download Festival, June 13th, Sunday, Ronnie James Dio stage. I'm John Leon, I play bass guitar. And I'm going to turn it over to the guy in the Panama hat there.
I'm Chad Bryan. I do guitar and backstage talent coordinating.
You do guitar? Damn, you're hard.
What do you do, Giovanni?
I'm Giovanni, and I'm the janitor.
Giovanni Durst. I collect
Play
keys.
drum,
I collect the
How about
keys
you?
on the ring.
I'm the bass player.
I'm Mike.
And this is
I'm
the
new
trout
vocalist
player.
for White Wizard.
What do you do?
I sing and stuff.
You singing stuff?
And